Now this kind of ties into lab 7, but see right here, I basically typed my host name r3dserver.zapto.org, and it came up with this response. This is what it came up. And what I had to do, I found out I had to install Apache, which basically allows me to like actually see the HTML files, the JavaScript files, and the CSS files. So as soon as I downloaded that, I basically refreshed my web page, and this is what showed up. Yeah, this is basically what showed up. Apache 2 default page, and then yeah. Now also you do have to remember that like as soon as you load it up, it's going to be running on HTTP, which means that your web wouldn't be secure. So what I did was basically I had to use certbot Apache, so then I could configure the server and allow me to like change it from HTTP to HTTPS. And when I tried typing certbot dash Apache, it basically like asked me to it basically asked me for my email address just to like accept, just to verify, and then I accepted all the terms, typed yes, yes, and you can see after that connection is secure. And now after that, I basically tried to log into my server with my host name, and it actually worked. So that's good. Now, here I basically used WebSCP and also SFT. I basically use WebSCP, which is like an SFTP client, which allows me to like connect the server with like using my SSH key, the private one actually. And as soon as I connected, I basically had made a HTML folder which I could like drag, well, which I could basically upload the actual HTML file for the web browser. And after I uploaded it, this was what showed up. You know, a nice menu for VS, and yeah. Now lab 8, basically I installed Clam AV, I think that's what it's called. Is basically an open source antivirus tool for Linux, and obviously before that I had to use sudo apt get update just to make sure that like the system's packages up to date before I try to install any new software and stuff. Okay, and see right here I'm typing get install clam av, and right here I basically stopped the auto update service just so that I could like manually upload like a virus definition file using WebSCP. And then after that I basically use clam scan. After this I basically did a scan, just to like scan the directories, and found out that like clam av was actually a virus file, which was good. And it basically showed that my antivirus setup actually did work, and I could use this to like protect I could protect my system with different malicious uploads. It actually found out that it's a good it actually found out that it's a and then you can see right here, I basically used the clam scan thing to like scan all the directories, and clam av found that there was actually one scan file, there was actually a virus. So it basically just shows that like the antivirus setup actually did work, and I could use that to protect my system from malicious uploads and stuff like that.